Hello, Chef Michael's Food Hacks here today. I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and today we're making easy peasy roasted peppers. Hey, I'm Chef Michael, and here we are roasting peppers, as I said just a minute ago. What you're going to do is turn the burner all the way up, whether it be gas or electric. This is electric. Also, you want to make sure that you turn your fan on. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this, roasted peppers are fantastic. They're expensive to buy, they're easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All you're going to do is put it on the burner until it blackens like this, okay? Then you're going to turn it all the way around until it's blackened all the way around. I blackened the peppers all the way around. Some people say put it in a brown paper bag, but I don't like a brown paper bag. I just put it in a stainless steel pot, big one or a small one, depending on how many peppers I have. I'm going to cover it, and then I'm going to let it sit for about 4 minutes, okay? Okay, now I'm rinsing the blackness, or most of it, off the pepper. I'm just going to do that underwater, and I'm on the side with the disposal, or just put a trap in the drain to trap it. Now look at this. Look how cool this is. Rinsed all the black off. And now you got a beautiful, absolutely lovely roasted pepper. We are making roasted peppers for the refrigerator. Hey, you know, if you get a bunch of roasted peppers, you can use these and make these into the roasted peppers and keep them in the fridge. They go on sandwiches, salads, barbecue, meats, poultry, tofu. You can put them on just about anything. Now, I put a little wheeled olive in there. I put a little red wine vinegar in there. I put a little honey, a little salt, a little pepper, mixed it around, and yummy. Hey man, this will keep about 7 to 10 days in the fridge. Okay, it's absolutely delicious. If you make a bunch of them, you can also put it in a sealed container and freeze them. Also, what I want to mention, please stop by Produce on Wheels Without Waste. They're on Facebook. They pick up produce from around the area all over Arizona, and they redistribute it to the community. Now, this is produce that would normally be thrown away. It is perfectly good, a lot of times organic. All right, visit them on Facebook. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well.